Hello and welcome to another Chivalry 2 video. This time I'm using the raw scythe. This guy's out to get me after I won last round. Okay, someone threw a okay, it's him. Well, I already did another round before that, and that guy who was attacking me with the axe went straight for me. Cause I killed him and got the win last time, so I'm going after him now. So yeah, I'm using the raw scythe. Come on then. I just don't want any third parties. Okay, he just killed himself. instead of like fighting me, he decided that it was better to just die. Oh no, you've got to be kidding me. I've got a massive target on my back after I won last time. Yeah, to alleviate some, I'm gonna switch to the Crusader with the Warhammer, not Warhammer, just hammer the axe. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, man! Come here. I hate these class. I hate this class. I hate that class, man. So cheesy. Anyway, so yeah, next round, could be using the what's it called, Devastator in the Vanguard. Yes, this guy. A lot of damage. I miss. Oh, I'm terrible, mate. I'm not really good with axes, but you know, let's go with it. Gonna laugh. I love laughing. Be happy in life. It's a massive rift between this side and that side. Oh, I thought that was coming from behind me. That was scary. Oh. Come on, just hit him. Oh, there we go. Big hit. Oh, this little goofy goober. Oh, I just knew it. He was just gonna throw it at me. I'd say I would have actually beaten him if I kept going with my little sword, little knife. The concentration there was real though. However, mallets. I missed. Okay, I don't think I need mallets for this guy. Looks semi-easy. Go away! Really? I hate this map. Okay, great sword time. Might use the big maul, like the big ham after this. Great. How did I miss? My sword is longer than him. Hence great sword. Anyway. Also, hopefully I don't forget to change the title of this video as well. That'd be silly. Just flailing my sword around because it's light as an feather. How did that hit me? Oh. Oh my god. He's using this. You know what? I'm gonna use the Mesa as well. Actually, no. I said I was gonna use this, the maul. So I'm stuck with the great sword for another round. Great. Right. Hammer time. Okay, give me that. Wow, okay. I was dead. I started healing there. This maul is actually quite nice. Okay. Next one. Mullets. What? He dashed at the right time. I'm gonna thank him this time. Bang. Feint. Nice. Oh, this guy. Oh, is this little... You've got to be kidding me, man. I hate the people who just throw stuff at you. Like, actually fight. I mean, here I am throwing malice, but like, they deserve it. And I've missed both. Okay, come here. Yeah, he's running away. I'm mid at the moment. I'm not even going for you. Yeah, goodbye, mate. He's dead. Now, if one thing hits me, I'm dead. Although now I've regained some health. Bang!
The leader needs only 10 more.
Oh, I must have pressed cap locks instead of shift. I was supposed to do a second hit after that, but just didn't. This weapon. This weapon does a lot of damage, so I quite like it. I think I have like my favorite weapons for each class, and this has probably got to be one of the top better ones for this class. Then you put the spear for the what's it called, the footman. Yep, guy with feet. Bang! Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Nice. Okay, not nice. He was attacking the guy that wasn't fighting. I mean, I guess so. If you're in a free-for-all server, act as if you are. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna hit there. Okay, I hit that. These attacks are immense. I love it. Do, 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 do. Oh, it's too many people. Right, next up, got 2 minutes left. This guy called Violent Peace, he's annoying. Oh! Great. Doing a lot worse this round than I was last time. Yeah! Oh, today's just not my day. Right, massive mallets. I said you.
And the leader is victorious.
Oh my! I hate them so much. They need to nerf that class. Like seriously. Every time I play this game, that's all that I can hear. They never even win as well. They just kill you. I mean, sometimes they win, but like, come on, man.
Defeat.
Oh! Wait, what? I was shot by someone. Or something thrown at me. Whatever, man. Whatever. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.